guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to share with you all my recipe for a tofu paynouse. So if you eat dairy-free products, you're going to enjoy this one. Yes, I used condensed milk in this recipe, but swap it out for some sugar or whatever you would use, and some almond milk or coconut milk to give you that creamy rich texture. So if you want to see how to make this, keep watching. Okay guys, to make this recipe I'm starting off with 1 block of tofu. That's firm tofu. You want to use firm tofu, not soft tofu, and all you're going to do is start breaking it apart. You want it to resemble paynouse, how paynouse is going to look. Okay, so once you've crumbled your tofu, what you're going to do next is go in with some fresh ginger. So we're putting all of the flavors we would usually put when we make paynouse. I'm going in with 2 cinnamon sticks, a few allspice berries, which is not traditional, but I'm just making this one a little different to the regular version that I already have on the channel. So clove goes in next. I'm going to go in with a few pods of star anise, and I'm going to add in some sweetened condensed milk. And for the condensed milk, you can add as much or as little as you want. You can always taste it and adjust it after. Now I still need to put some nutmeg in here and some vanilla essence, but I'll add that in at the end when this is finished. So now we're going to place this on our stove because we need to cook this. So you're going to place this on your stove on a medium heat. Now remember, the tofu, it doesn't need a lot of cooking. We just need for all of the flavors to come together and to cook out that ginger in there. So we're going to let this go for like about 15-20 minutes. Make sure you mix it well so it doesn't stick to the bottom of the pot. Okay guys, it's been 12 minutes. The water is starting to dry up, and it's now starting to pick up some of that color, that brown color that paynouse is known for. So I'm not going to turn it that much because I want it to get that brown color, but also make sure it's not sticking and it's not burning at this point. But it smells amazing. Okay guys, look at this. It looks and smells just like paynouse. Haven't tasted it yet, but I'm gonna go in with some fresh nutmeg, just a little. You don't want to add too much to overpower it. And I'm adding in a little bit of vanilla, or you can use mixed essence. And don't add too much, and give that a good mix. Once mixed in, then we'll taste. Okay guys, now to taste. Wow guys, no one is going to know this is tofu. Wow, really amazing. All of those flavors, all of those spices in here, really amazing. So guys, here you have it, my recipe for tofu paynouse or paynouse tofu. Those of you all who are lactose intolerant, please feel free to switch up the condensed milk for sugar, and this is going to be right up your alley. So I hope you all enjoyed this different take on paynouse. I tried to do something that you non-dairy foodies can enjoy also. So comment down below, let me know what you think. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.